Good evening and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Dasoberi. Well, and already, some Dawson. I think I made a post on Facebook. Say exactly 6 o'clock. I'll be dropping the names of players. Asante Kotoko company focus omo di nkomo. Say ochinomo secretariat. I made a post on Facebook. Pardon me for the delay. This video was supposed to come exactly at 6 o'clock, but now I see a thorough detail. I mean, we need to take our time with this particular story. It's a very dicey story. Story near dicey, as usual. I mean, Porcupine Stand, we want to display a high level of competence. Na yentimi prayer who be any part of the story be So wanted to get to the details of every bit of the story. Because names need be by. Initially, we had some of the names that so I didn't want to mention any name. Not so I need to take my time. But before that, I know there will be one question a lot of people will come under my post to ask. It's the fact that if indeed Emmanuel News-Dasoberi or the Ejumana tour as the administrative manager of Asante Kotoko. Well, personally, I spoke with Dasoberi for 7 minutes, 32 seconds. This is me and Kasamene Dasoberi, 7 minutes, 32 seconds. And I can confirm it to you, say Dasoberi post to make you on Facebook, no? And yantro, and on one kasa make you that post on Facebook. Our dakot kwechita fu nyina say adwuma no de ato. So I needed to speak to him, and after speaking with him, he confirmed it to me. He said, yes, Obed, adwuma no me de ato. Wadam penimfu ase, and wadakot kwechita fu ase, e was sumo obesum, e Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So it is true that Emmanuel News-Dasoberi is no longer a member of the Asante Kotoko IMC. Ono ankasa confirm amame. Send ye adwuma no wa ha no. Committee me report to that Facebook no, but I needed to be sure. At the moment, Emmanuel News-Dasoberi is in Accra. When you Kumasi, according to my extensive conversation with Emmanuel News-Dasoberi, he's in Accra. Enti nyame aromo china Asante Kotoko company fu a ebeshi Asante Kotoko players 10 a.m. Secretariat then ho kwada so no Emmanuel News-Dasoberi is not going to be part of these members ebeshi that Asante Kotoko players. Well, yem to us. So congratulations on your new job. You've served Asante Kotoko while you are family there. You've tried your best. I mean, you came with Nana Amponsa, you stayed, and this season, well, season Aberi, Abrabon, we all move forward. We all take steps, move to other places. Personally, now reporter Benina Teresa Ima might be part of the new structure, no. But okay, sir, Ebrana Dede Koso na Oberon commenting on board. Last comment on the board was about 3 weeks ago. I told you, sir, a lot of things is going on behind the scenes, and I've been advised by opinion about what Tiam and Alsaman come on to. Now, I say, yeah, in some way, can be true. This will be true, but later, no, but I trick him, and on say, I'm out for pressure, but I've been quiet. I have my reasons. And he said, and then Imadiana Bebum said, it's no longer part of the Asante Kotoko IMC. Initially, we were all thinking, and based on sources now here list now, it was even protected that Imam might even take over that the whole as the general manager of Asante Kotoko. Maybe another Pinkra higher Ima taking over, but it looks like it came with other ideas. And here did Kanya Warham 2 Friday, and I'm able to when it's a meeting across Yawada between Nana Pinkra Kwesiewa and Coach Ogum. And Coach Ogum has presented the list of players. Ujidi said their position at Asante Kotoko should be re-examined. We're presenting the names to the IMC. My catcher said it happened on Thursday. na Friday me be story no. And me talk also san catch was said that was even on last week Tuesday say enya the Asante Kotoko management ni be share any player this week. That was last week. Sorry, last week. No only o me termination on kobo. Any form of contract termination or re-examination of a player's stay or Kotoko will be done this week. Me kind of last week, say this week. And I'm a catch them on Friday and they say after the game, Asante Kotoko company for be share players ni na e wo fie ho. That is on Monday and then the kind of Friday. Friday now plan am dey Kotoko line up no for bofu game no kra tu da. And I'm catch on so be share omo ne Monday. No mo share omo na wi a omo be do omo ase. Omo the other important information be ka ho. Omo wi a na ma catch omo a omo share omo secretary so omo share omo secretary Tuesday because the new structure and plan of Asante Kotoko is that they want to engage every player for the position of the player next season to be determined and sign a player bi akofie mpo. Ne kan sa asem ne kire mo fiada. Well, na ejuada. And the question is, did the meeting happen or not? And then Asante Kotoko company for share players no e wo fie ho. E wona efumeso ana na nice build no mo share omo ho. Omo see omo no omo dey same p na two players nanim. And somebody be ha enye ahase but on say moving on to preseason omo setting guidelines I want tadiem for the following season. That is between the players and Asante Kotoko company. For even though I have the news, it's not worth bringing out. And when you see the babonte. So omo the self foot nyina ma mo kofia and one koye we because ebia mobile backer you best start the plan say nti ebia e be hia sa anyoma we say na mo best start say later bibi ba nya hu say na best no. They advise the players on all those issues. Omuwie na Ohini Brenya, who is the team manager of Asante Kotoko, list near the amana e ni bottom. Nti the Ohini Brenya ya na say over the champion no ato acho 1-on-1. As your china share secretariat 10 a.m. Share was secretariat. Say Kofi Mensa no ato acho Kofi ochina so share secretariat. Na player ba akukra de no nam kwan so na ese eto ne nkra so ombra. To ne nkra so ombra na nkomodie wo. Wo before I even move to the list. Imrantie biye no ti omudin. John Teleku. Yes, John Teleku reading from my archives. John Teleku signed a 2-year deal with Asante Kotoko in August 2022. John Teleku signed a 2-year deal with Asante Kotoko in August 2022 with an option of +1, which can be activated by the club. Option of +1 into a 2-year deal +1. +1 will be determined by the club whether +1 or more activated. And even if they activate the +1, the player would also have to agree say more activating impumetna. Enti the woman John Teleku contract with Asante Kotoko season yi ba wie no eno so aba wie ebewu August. Or signing contract no on 22nd August. Sorry, 25th August 2022. Enti August na John Teleku contract with Asante Kotoko abewie tieniye but a +1. The minimum Asante Kotoko will not activate the +1 for John Teleku. 2, John Teleku nankasa is in no position to even accept the +1 even when Asante Kotoko activate +1. Enti make me a general platform so porcupine stand with Seobed. Now I confirm one I'll say John Teleku on the Kotoko next season on camp. Me de ma wa hasi. Ya sheju me de nas me catch them last week. So week we and me come home. Ma kom ne beba. Ti John Teleku 2 years abewie plus 1 no na ade a club no ebe activate yembo John Teleku abaso obeson ye obeye na afemu de obaaye yanti asem bia yante ne ho asem bone da yanti se John Teleku di blue akobo obi na John Teleku akoko obi na Teleku no yanti bi John Teleku was clean asem bone bia ni ne ho abebo na dwuma kama ba se Teleku be kwa SSL list na na benyini din bam. So I'll come to the list. But Teleku and I'm a day man. Player Tosun Yelu, Augustine a Japan. On Cadino home. But a Japan so contact with Asante Kotoko. Abana ye. And no air dear or I'm a day man ma Canada. Kasi Sudia say Japan on the Kotoko. So every Mumfan Sembo and Shaho Eme Japan. Japan so the end of Abbey ye. Tia right back nya left back me twice. Goalkeeper friend download so the no yin say Abbey. Personally, I feel download should be given a contract extension. Personally, I feel download should be given a contract extension. Getting a goalkeeper moving through the ranks to this level. No better o goal post enya dwuma ketwa enti unya bia so ni mu yie. But you know whether they would decide that download should stay or should not stay. Yentoaso. Moise Poite eka ho ono no nka list no ho but ono so ne bre with Kotoko abawiye. Churches in Fege osani mfie miensa na so ono so eko. Mamento list mamembra list na nka so. And ohini brenya any players no did all say any rules and regulations no more movie you know and no started edini nie abrante friend Prince Anderson na we ado chena confirmed obekwa akosi Asante Kotoko company for was secretariat 10 a.m. My verdict on Prince Anderson. Anderson's contract should not be terminated. But rather, Kotoko should consider sending him on loan. That is my verdict on Prince Anderson. Untimi gofa akola in free second division Vanemba Kotoko. On the ball just 2 matches. Now what we trying to contract mu David. Anderson, yenye ni so Kotoko ba no be ka Kotoko youth team no. So if there will be any form of communication, the best communication should be Anderson to loan, not contract termination. That is my verdict, my personal opinion. My personal opinion can be different from the opinion of the leaders of Asante Kotoko. But my personal opinion here say Prince Anderson a loan and a so-called. My opinion on Danlad must stay and his contract should be renewed. Yes, Kotoko share Benjamin Asare, but that's a story for another day. Yentoaso. Defense wana Sheriff Mohammed defender Olusudi Ewombi. Confirmed Sheriff Mohammed defender Edi Ewo Nipa Ohini Brenya kachira so munhia na secretariat no na Sheriff Mohammed defender Edi Nkahombi. My verdict on Sheriff Mohammed Kotoko should only consider terminating his contract if we have a better choice. To win come better pending. But the Sheriff better pending. Because social league no any better option now. You don't terminate a player's contract. And then the last season Kotoko ebre ma sola jimai. Ene apel buko Muhammad Alasa koye. Yusuf Mubarak can extend the contract of Koi. But Dawini Yayaba Yamanambobi. So you only terminate the contract of Sheriff Mohammed if unya a better option. But Sheriff Usono, Anomabia Casel Gumasu, so no contract ni Teleku DNA ape. 2 years with option of +1. In Tier head your channel or secretariat in penny for Ebeka.